Say goodnight and go. Skipping beats, blushing cheeks, I am struggling. Daydreaming, bed scenes in the corner cafe. And then I'm left in bits, recovering tectonic trembling. You get me every time. Oh, why'd you have to be so cute? It's impossible to ignore you. Must you make me laugh so much? It's bad enough we get along so well. Say goodnight and go. One of these days I'll miss your train and come stay with me. It's always say goodnight and go. We'll have dreams and talk about things